Hi YouTube. So one day I was standing by a shopping mall and I saw my car's reflection, and I saw that brake lights won't come on immediately as I push the brake. As you can see, it travels about 1 centimeter or so, and then they light on. And I thought this is actually kinda dangerous, because if I try to brake just a little bit, and I know it brakes in my car with that light touch, the driver behind me won't notice that I'm actually slowing down faster than in neutral or without the released gas pedal. So I thought it would be cool to fix this. So what I'm doing here is I have my ignition into first position, and I'm doing this at night so I can turn my head around and I can see the reflection on the ground from the brake lights. And you have to do the following thing. You have to adjust that switch outwards, and if you adjust it outwards, the brakes will come on immediately after you press the brake. Yeah, it was too much for me in this moment, so I had to press it in so it won't so the lights won't shine all the time. Yeah, you have to really press it a few times to see if it is good enough.